How to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp app call not ringing on iPhone and iPad. Let's get started without wasting any time. First, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In the settings page, tap on notifications. Now, swipe down to find WhatsApp and tap on it. Here, make sure sounds is on. If sound is already on, turn it off. Wait for few seconds, then turn it back on. That's all you have to do and your problem will be solved. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.